friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bubby Chumz from Playtime 5, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by rounding out the head. So we're going to get started on the left hand side, and we're going to curve this line around, tucking that over and into the center. We'll start back on that line on the very top, curve this around, tucking this down and in, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the mouth here. So stepping up on this line, we're going to curve this around and through on a diagonal towards the top right. Let's frame in the eye. So from the center, stepping out, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. We're going to replicate that as we move across on the right. Now from here on the top, let's draw in 2 diagonal lines joining at a point in the middle. We'll do the same on the right hand side. So again, 2 diagonal lines joining at a point in the center. This is just going to create the little cross inside of our eye. We're going to move up again, replicating that. So 2 more diagonal lines coming in towards the center. And then again, one more time, stepping out. Now let's just color in each of those triangular spaces black. Let's move up now. We're drawing a triangle. So we're going to draw this straight line across. From that point, we're going to bring our diagonal line in. And then we'll bring this across on the left. Moving up above that, we're going to draw in an arch line. Now beside that, we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval. Let's move up. We're going to draw in another upside down triangle here. And then again, just connecting this oval, tucking this around, and then back in on the side. Let's draw in our last triangle here. So stepping across, we're going to flatten this line out. And now from here, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming up, replicating that on the right to create our triangle. Let's move down from the mouth now. On the left-hand side, we're going to connect this with a circle. And then right in the center, we're going to draw in another circle, smaller. Let's draw in the letter M. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. In the middle, stepping in, we're going to draw in the letter M right in the center. Let's close that off with a straight line underneath. Let's continue to close off the mouth. On the left-hand side, from the left, we're going to curve this in. And now let's draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way across towards that zipper. Let's continue to round out the rest of the mouth. So stepping underneath, we're going to curve this over, tucking that back up on a diagonal. And then again, let's just draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way across the top line. And we'll just try and draw these at an even size. Let's do the exact same thing on the bottom. Let's move directly underneath here. We're just going to curve this line across. Now let's come down for the leg. On the top, arching this out, we're going to curve this line across, tucking that down, and then we're going to pull that line back through to the top. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line, connecting that from corner to corner. Moving up, we're going to draw in an arch line, tucking that down, and then we'll do the exact same thing as we step up, bringing that back in. Let's move across. On the top here, we're going to arch this line out. We're going to tuck this down, curving that in. And then again, from that point, just arching that across. close this off underneath with a curved line. Now moving up, we're going to curve this line in, stepping over, replicating that. Let's move in behind. We're going to curve this line out, tucking that in towards the back of the head. Let's move down. We're going to curve this across again. Let's step in, replicating that. Let's come out for the opposite leg. So we're going to leave a gap here, lining that up at the same height, curving that through. We're going to step up, arching this around and down, ending that at the same width. Let's close that off with another curved line. Let's draw in an arch line underneath on the bottom. Let's step up. We're going to close this off with a curved line. Moving out again, replicating that, arching that in. Now in the center, curving that across. Let's step up. So underneath, we're going to curve this line out. We'll move up. We're going to arch this over and through. Again, closing that off with a curved line. We'll do the same thing underneath. Let's move in. We're going to draw in 2 curved lines. Now let's move up for the back leg here. We're going to curve this around and in. And now stepping in, we're going to draw in 2 more curved lines. And that is it. That's you, Bubby Chumz from Poppy Playtime 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.